All right, guys, welcome back to the series. Questions one: how to get the full marks in number one. I am Lennox Bennett. This is my number 5492161. Remember, my marathon begins March 29. Let's go. It says use a calculator or otherwise determine the value of 5.25 divided by 0.015. I would say choose your calculator, much easier on everything. So let's punch that in. 5.25 divided by 0.015, and that gives me 350. Alright, so nice and easy, guys. That gives us 350. Next one says, what's the square root of 6.5025? Again, punch it in your calculator and you get the 3 marks. So press the square root first on the calculator, then punch in the number 6.5025, and this gives me 2.55. So very nice 2 marks in the beginning. Let's see if we can get all the marks now for the rest. Now the next one says 3.142 times 2.236 square corrected to 3 significant figures. Alright, let's go. So it's 3.142 at a pi times 2.236 times 2.36. And that gives me, so the overall number that my calculator gives me is 16.580. And of course, 2. Not going to go any further. Now they say correct it to 3 significant figures. So to correct this to 3 significant figures, 16, that's important. Now we check this one. If this is 5 and over, we add 1. So that is the 16.6. When corrected to 3 significant figures. Very nice question. B says concrete tiles are made using buckets of cement, sand, and gravel mixed in the ratio 1 to 4 to 6. How many buckets of gravel are needed for 4 buckets of cement? Alright, so guys, ratio. Go back to primary school. Ratio wasn't hard, right? So let's figure out this one. Very easy. So now, the order matters. So it's sand first. So sand 1 in this case. So it's sand, gravel. No, cement must start first. Cement, sand, and gravel. Now the ratio is 1 to 4 to 6. And they ask us now, how many buckets of gravel is needed for 4 buckets of cement? So this is 4. So this should be 1 to 6. So that's 4, 6, 24. So in this case, it would be 24. And you can just say 4 times 6. So for every 1 bucket of cement, you're going to have 6 buckets of gravel. So let's work out to 24. Alright. 2 says, if 20 buckets of sand are used, how many buckets of each of the following will be needed? Alright, so let's go back up to that. 20 buckets of, if 20 buckets of sand, yes, so sand. So 1 in the middle. So remember the ratio is cement 1, sand 4, gravel 6. So if you have 20 buckets of this, how many buckets of cement? That would be 5, right? Just divide it by the 4. Now the ratio for this should be 2 to 3. If you break down this, the ratio is 2 to 3, right? So if you have 20, what number would go here to make? This would definitely be 30, right? Alright guys, so you'd have gotten that 3 marks also. So it would be 5 of this and 3 of this. 30 rather. Alright, let's look at this one now. It says the cash price of a laptop is $1,299. It can be bought and hire purchase by making a deposit of $350 and 10 monthly payments of $120 each. What is the total hire purchase? Now this should not be hard if you have chosen this for your SBA topic. So you have $350 plus 10 months of $120. So every month you're gonna pay $120. So you just times it by 120, right? So you're gonna pay 1,200 plus the 350. So that will give you the total hire purchase price, which is the deposit plus the monthly installment. So 0 plus that 0, 0 and 5, 5, 2 and 3, 5. So that's 1,550. I get 2 marks for that. How much you save by paying the cash part? I'm just put this here. So it's 1,550. If you pay cash, you just pay 1,299. So let's just subtract 1,299 from this. So 9 from that you can't, so we're gonna borrow. That leaves 4. This would leave 1. 9 from 4 you can't. You borrow again. You're borrowing, guys. 9 from that leaves 5. 2 from that leaves 1. So it's $151. You'll see. And in this case, you get full 12 marks. Alright guys, like and follow for more. And I'll spend it tomorrow. I'll see you guys in another video. Big up everybody who support Mr. Bint. And guys, if you want to be a part of the marathon, let me just go up so you guys can see the number. 876-549-2161. I'm out. See you guys soon.